the first thing what we're going to do, all right, we got some banana, but I'm not going to do the banana yet. I'm not going to be adding any more sugar to it. So that's the brown sugar right there I'm going to be using. Beautiful recipe. I'm going to be using some unsalted butter, roughly about, it's going to be, I'm using it by a cup of unsalted butter. All right, yeah. So that's the butter. All right, 1 cup of unsalted butter. Now you can do two things. You could either use your whisk, or you could either you can use your whisk, or you could use a wet. And what we're gonna do quickly is quickly do this one. Let's put this right there. Turn off this. All right, so that's the butter and the sugar. Whoops. All right. Double ripe banana. So because I have the banana and I said no, I need to use up these. I'm not gonna throw them away, and that's why you see I'm giving you guys this quick banana bread recipe. All right. Normally it's supposed to be about 4 fingers of banana, but I'm just gonna use up the whole of these banana because it doesn't make sense. I'm gonna have them left over. All right. So mash it just like this using a fork. And mash it. Honestly, it's not too complicated, guys. Honestly, because it's banana bread, so you just want to mash it like that. Hope you guys can see because I'm not even, you know what I mean, I'm just concentrating. All right, let's put this aside. Now we're going to get some egg. Roughly about 5 eggs, room temperature. That's 1. All right, 2, 3, 4. I'm still gonna do it same way. All right, take time and fold it in. All right. So the reason why it need more sugar, but I'm not going to put any more sugar in it. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. One teaspoon of vanilla. So that's just eye measurement. I know this is gonna be a little bit too much, but let's put the banana in. All right, and then that's the banana inside of it. All right, all right. Trust me, it's the banana and everything is going on right there. So we're gonna get 2 cups of flour. We're using plain flour, guys. All right, let's put this one side. 2 cups of plain flour. So this is just eye measurement. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Alright, 1 teaspoon of grounded nutmeg mixed spice inside of it. This is a mixed spice. Alright, 1 teaspoon of grounded nutmeg. Alright, and now baking soda in it. 1, 2. Alright, and what you want to do, mix this together. Alright, I don't want to hold up your guys' time. Come back right here with this mixture. Alright, then what you're gonna do, fold it in into it. Alright, alright, just fold it in. Now what I'm going to do now, as I fold it in, I'm going to turn on my air fryer and I'm going to put it on bake. Alright, it says 16 minutes pre-warm them, but I can start it over. Alright, let's fold it in. As you can see it for yourself. This is a simple little recipe from Chef Ricardo, guys, to you. So what we're going to do, whisk it in. Alright, so that's the kind of running you need to see. Alright, that is perfect right there. Look at that. Alright, so this is the kind of running you need to see. You see? Look at that. So the reason why I just use 1 cup of rub it out with some butter, and if it is too much, then maybe a flour inside of it and just roll it around in it like this. Alright, then you pour it out like this. Alright, you see? And what you want to do, shake it like this. Put that aside. Get the next one. Then, oh, it's perfect, guys. Look at that. All right, perfect. All right, as I say, it's coming up to Christmas and also Thanksgiving Day, guys. So these are some recipe we can also start make at home if you want to do something for Christmas. Alright? Yeah. But as you can see for yourself, that is amazing. Look how easy and simple I did it. Alright, so I'm going to put this, I'm going to be using the air fryer to do this one. Alright, so that's it so far. Tell me exactly what you guys think about this recipe. If it is something you guys like, then I got more recipes can give you know, where you can use the air fryer to make this at home. Alright, simple banana bread you guys can also make at home. Simple, it doesn't complicate it. And you know what I mean, we got lots of recipes can give you know, lots of ideas can give you know, to make at home. So I just decide to give you guys this recipe this evening. Alright, now I want to say thank every one of you guys who are watching. You're gonna have to see part 2 on my next video because I'm gonna put it into the air fryer now. And then after I put it in the air fryer, let's put it in the air fryer to show you what I'm doing, so you guys can understand exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing right here in the kitchen. So put this aside because you don't know what I'm doing. So let's show them, because I'm gonna have to alright. So alright, this is what happened in the kitchen right now. So this is the air fryer pan. So I put it on bake, and now I will put it inside of it like this. Alright, once I put it inside, I just press bake and it will bake it. So hope you guys can see the previous video when it come out, when I release it, that you guys can understand how I did it. So I'm gonna put in, and it's gonna take roughly about 20 minutes for it to bake. Alright, so I'm gonna reset them back. Stop that one, so I can put back this inside now. And I'm going to get this one and do the same thing at home. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to put this in the oven now, in the tray now, into the bake, and just press 20 minutes and we're good to go. Alright, in the next episode you have to see part 2, because I can't keep it for next 20 minutes. You guys gonna get bored, and you know what I mean, you have dinner to cook, you have to go to school tomorrow, you know what I mean, all sort of things going on right now. So good vibes. Alright guys, so I'll just take them from the oven. The reason why you may see them a little bit burned, because I leave them in there a little bit too long. Alright, but beautiful and nice. Alright, so they just need to cool down before I even cut them. So good vibes. That's the full video. Alright, I have to leave them in the oven for roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. Medium size heat. Don't temperature not too high. But I'm using the Ninja Air Grill Fry. Ninja Air Fry. So that's, I'll just put it on bake and bake it for an hour. So good vibes. Alright, enjoy it. So the next time, and we got lots more recipes and a lot more ideas, because I open it up and it's split. So but this one is fine. This one is a little bit dodgy on the top, but it's all good. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay blessed.